guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel Goldust Films and this is Vignesh. Today we are in Clark Exotica, Bangalore. This is a resort and spa. Why we are here today is because it's our anniversary and we completed 5 long years. Say hi. Yashima, say hi.
Hello, Sule.
Okay, so let me first take you on the room tour. The room is actually very spacious, huge, very nicely put up. That's the entrance and here is the room. We have some huge wardrobes. Definitely not something that we're going to use for a day, but it's pretty luxurious. It's super lavish, la? Another interesting thing is bamboo toothbrush. That's the dental kit that you get here and it's made of bamboo and completely degradable. Good one. Okay, Yashu just rang up someone on the intercom. This property is actually very good. I would say, it is one of the best properties that we have stayed so far, isn't it?
Yeah, this is
Okay, in
very
terms
huge.
of, yeah,
Usually we'll not get enough space to even walk around.
exactly.
So here there is lot of space and even baby is having a nice time walking around. So actually if we have a baby we need more space.
Yeah, exactly. You need, a big room like this so that they don't randomly bump into stuff. And for the price that we paid, it is a bomb, I would say. I like the lights on the ceiling.
It's raining.
Chini, it's raining, man. From the window, we get a good view of some greenery there and another building right behind. The climate is awesome.
என்னம்மா வருது மழை வருதா?
I'm sure Yashu is gonna have some good fun. From the time she is here, she's been running around here and there. You see that?
Taking out things.
And best part is there are good amount of protocols that are being followed for COVID and when you enter the property there is sanitization that happens and even the rooms are sanitized. I can smell the sanitizer actually. And I asked for a different room without even looking at this place, but he told me that there is one room empty but it will take at least a day to sanitize and clean stuff. So the property is nice and safe.
என்ன room?
நான் இதுக்கு மேலே கேட்டேன். So we are here for one night. We checked in. We're supposed to check in at 2 but we apparently took some time. We came here at 3, so tomorrow afternoon by 12:30 we'll check out. And again we are here for one main reason, just to chill. That's why we're here. It's been like tightly packed over the weekdays for quite some time now and there's a lot of stress building up and we thought we'll come and chill for a day, relax. What do you feel being here?
It's a good change from the routine and I hope baby will enjoy.
Yashu is enjoying the rain outside. See that? Smile. And that's what she does when you ask her to smile for the camera. She gives a fake smile. Well, there's a lobby and that's where you check in. Yashu is super excited looking at those fountains there. Where are you going? Where are you going? After we came, we had a good sleep and we just came to check out this activity area, but most of it is closed by 6. We'll go see what is there inside. The pool and water games and all are there, but it's closed due to COVID. As mentioned, you can't get in the water. Actually, we thought we'll have some fun in the pool, but unfortunately it's closed. Well, the buffet is closed because there are not too many guests, and we ordered some crazy food. A lot of items there. Let's dive in and see what all do we have one by one. And the hot and hot chicken soup is actually very yummy. Check it out. Very samyak. And this is Oriental chili chicken, some crazy quantity. Are we gonna finish this, or
It's up to you.
am I going to finish this?
I'm not going to eat it.
I'm not sure how many of you know it. She's a veggie. I thought it would be little lesser quantity, but this is like too much. This kulcha and what did you order? Kadai paneer.
Eat.
Tastes really nice. No, I feel food is good, no? Really tasty food.
Tasty and quantity is also good.
Exactly. And again, deliver on time. It will take around 25 to 30 minutes, and the room servers are already here.
எப்படி இருக்கு? சூப்பரா இருக்கா? என்னது அது?
Well, that is gajar halwa, and it is so rich and so tasty. Here we have the last thing on the menu tonight. What is this, man? What is this? And there you go. This is cherry chocolate brownie. Wait, I'll give
யாருக்கு கேக்?
spoon.
யாருக்கு கேக்?
என்ன சின்னி பண்ற? You know what she's doing? She's actually changing diaper for a daddy. And yeah. Here is the breakfast. Orange juice, onion, popcorn, honey. We just checked out from this beautiful resort. It was a wonderful stay. Again, it was a much needed break for us. and one day wasn't sufficient actually. Though the airport is very close, there is absolutely no noise. It was so peaceful. We spent one good day here. It's time to leave, but before we leave, we'll just go around, see the club area again, and get going from here. This property has a very nice pool setup. The big pool and some water games there. And that's the kids pool. You see that thing? I think it gives a rain effect. Oh man, these slides are actually amazing. I wish this thing was open while we were here. Bye, Clark Exotica.